How to add or remove battery protection to quick panel settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, you will see click now here on available button. Scroll down and search battery protection from here. You will see battery protection is here. So if you want to add battery protection, so quick settings panel, so click on battery protection. So after click on battery protection, click on done and again click on done. You will see battery protection is add on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove battery protection on quick settings panel, so just swipe down. Now here click on pen icon and click on edit. So if you want to remove battery protection, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see battery protection is removed on quick settings panel. So after the process, click on done. Go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove battery protection on Samsung Galaxy quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.